Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. A super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the CDI control module, CDI fuses relays on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Guys, we'll explain where you can find them. There will be some hidden fuses relays. Please make sure you watch that video and do not waste your money for parts, tools, diagnostics, because it could be quite simple fix if you have problems with the CDI control module. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the CDI control module, which fuses and relays we need to check? Come guys, we'll show you on that generation Mercedes C-Class. Here, quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners will not know there is many hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Video people told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do now here, we need to open, guys, the passenger door, and here, okay, on the side where the A-pillar is, on the side of the cover, let me open this view right here. Okay, right there you need to remove one cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here, guys, we need to work today in 3 different fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. The first fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 315. You see that 5 fuse, that's the one that we need to check right here. After that, guys, what we need to do, we need to go ahead and open the hood on your Mercedes, guys. Now, once you open the hood, we want to show you here on the right side, this is the fuse box. Under that cover, you have one twisty knob here that you turn 90 degrees counterclockwise. Once in the back, lift that cover up, and you see that white thing here with the black cover, that's your main engine fuse box. Once you open it, it has only 2 screws that you need to remove with the Torx 25, I believe. Open the cover, you have that fuse box layout here. Specifically here, we need to, guys, check fuse 126. We're talking about this fuse right here. Some specific models may have fuse 122. If you have it, it will be a fuse right there. Next, you will, guys, need to check relay G right here, and you have one hidden relay that's known as relay J right here. Okay, under that cover there is a hidden relay J, guys. Next, what we will need to do here, we need to open the hood again, but come to the left side where the positive jump starter terminal is. Remove that cover, and underneath, guys, you have that's a positive jump starter terminal. That's an integrated pre-fuse box. That's another look of it, guys. You may have 2 different kinds here, but okay, let me show you now. Okay, what one of the kinds that you may have, depending on the year, model and engine, is that one. If you have this one, you need to check that fuse number 3 if you have, guys. The other kind, you will need to check fuse number 5, which is this fuse right here. But those are the main fuses and relays that you will guys need to check. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.